Good afternoon. Market up or down? The market was way up. So let's check and see how we did. Sold 3. Levi, 1040. Got a little bit of a long-term perspective in the month in review at the end, so stick around. This should be a good one. All right. We got everything in order now. Levi, 1040. 1440. Come on. Long day. I put my notice in at work, so I'm definitely ready for this weekend. Amcor, 2217. And then we did sell General Dynamics, that big fat position we took, 216.97. Nothing's screaming out here like it was an incredible fill in the pre-market or anything, but the market went up today and did our work for us. So the end of the month, here's the grand total. This is it. $10.55. Now we are going to do all the math and get everything going to see exactly how we're doing versus the market, because I think that's important. And we're in a weird cycle in the market. The market has basically done nothing for a very, very long time. MTB is the only position we have left, and we are stuck in it. $18 to the negative. So, but the market's up. We're not buying anything. So that's kind of what it is. Net liquidity, it's about $550. So, number one, let's take a look at this month. This month was up 1.6%. Now you have $10, 55 cents divided by 550. This is not exact, okay? But apparently it's not going to do that. I got to put it equals here. I can do that. Okay, so we're going to make this a percent. 2%. That is rounded. We don't want to round, not that much. Give us 2 of them. 1.92%. Okay, roughly. The market was 1.6. You can see it up here. So you can see we're outperforming yet again. And we've had cash flow returned to us every single month, even if it was small amounts. But if you look at the market had months where it lost money. Well, we never did. We just kept creating cash flow. So now what we want to do is see from the inception of the account, we'll hit the little ruler here. September started up here to kind of where we're at. That's close. I think about 6%, give or take. So we have done 48.16. Plus, don't forget, we have made money in this account as well, up 5%. So 48 cents there. All right, equals this over 550, roughly. Oh, 8%. Who didn't want at least 2 decimals? Come on. Well, almost 8.5%. So you can see that we are crushing the markets. But 6% in the better part, over half a year, almost working on a full year now. Isn't that great for the markets? It's not super off pace, but it's not that great. If you look from the beginning of the year, the market is basically flat. So just a little big picture perspective. I'm not trying to brag or anything like that, but I just want to show you folks that even if you only put in $10 a week and you just have something just to keep you in the game and you're learning, you're going to beat the markets. You know, everybody always tells us that you can't beat the markets. The big guys, they can't do it consistently, whatever. It's all bull. It's all bull. And this is all after the market is closed with orders placed the night before. So I just want to impress that as many times as I can, because once you believe that you can do something, well, you can do it. I mean, I'm going full time. I never thought that was going to be a thing. You know, I was just trying to get a little extra cash flow for supporting the family, right? But there is no doing all right. You know, people say, we're doing all right. It doesn't work like that. You're either poor or rich, because the world is so big and everything grows exponentially. So I'm working my way towards the rich side. So it was a good month. We didn't blow the market out, but we kept pace and beat it by just a little bit. And you see, if you beat it a little bit every month, boy, it starts adding up, right? The exponential curve is going to start to grow, and we're just going to leave it in the dust. And then we're putting it in here, and let's see. We had this thing since January. So 4.58% from January. Let's get our little thing out. That's January. We're lagging out a little bit, see? That's okay. So we really haven't got that many cash payments. So when you first buy in, remember the SPY takes 3 months. I don't even think we've gotten one yet for it. And you missed a month and a half on your cash payment for the high dividend. So that's just something to keep track of. You don't have to be down on yourself. Maybe you're not beating the markets. Maybe you do things different than me, and it's just not working out. Maybe you do better than me. It's all okay, but you need to look at it. What you focus on grows. That's just the way the world works. If you put attention to it, if you look at it every day for long periods of time, you're just going to get good at it. That's just how it works. So, not a whole lot to talk about in the markets. I don't need to predict anything or anything crazy like that. We're just doing the system. And you can see here, we're just doing the thing, right? Everything looks good. It's all green. We're above the averages. It's all good. Be better if we get above this one. But right now, everything's going good. It just takes time. And the rest of our trades have outperformed the market. And when this one shoots up, you know, that's, shoot, what's it down? 10% or something crazy? Does it say what your cost basis was? There's the trade price. Yeah. I mean, it's down 15%, something crazy like that. What happens when this sells? Well, then our account will shoot up as far as the returns go, right? So every piece plays its little role. 5 to 10 minutes a day after work. It really can change everything. Now, when you are ready for the next step, some of you have been watching for a while. When you are ready for the next step, reach out to me. the next step initially would be to add more money weekly, right? Don't do $10 a week. But if you're going to go above 10, you better be out of debt and you better have a savings blanket for emergency fund in cash. Okay? Not, oh, I got equity with, I got a HELOC. No, in cash, hard cash. Once you get all that stuff, start beefing it up. As you add more, your trades will get bigger and you'll be able to add to your investment account quicker. Now, when those statements come in, and we'll go through those next week as they come in, I'll walk you through about how you should put money back in your bank account and spend it on your family. You know, because an investment's supposed to have a return. This is not a 401k money prison. This is not a money prison. I know that's how we're all raised. Oh, it's in the savings account. Don't touch that. No, this is an investment into assets that produce real things. They hire real people that work real jobs and produce products and services that we buy, and they make a profit, and we get a share of those profits. You know, and half of it we reinvest, and half of it we go spend like there's no tomorrow, because the next month that money's going to come again and again and again and get bigger and bigger and bigger. The future is bright if you do the right things. I hope this is helpful. And if you're trading during the trading day and you want to see what I'm doing, it's been kind of slow lately, but links in the description for the website. I'm posting everything. Everything's free. I got nothing to sell you. I'm just trying to help some folks. So if it's helpful for you, let me know. Share it with somebody maybe. And we'll catch you later. Have a good weekend. Peace.